Our solar system is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders that never cease to amaze us. As we venture farther out from the sun, we encounter gas giants that dwarf our own planet, each with its own unique set of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Among these celestial bodies, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune stand out as particularly enigmatic. These planets, shrouded in swirling clouds and adorned with rings and moons, hold clues to the formation and evolution of our solar system and perhaps even to the origins of life itself. So join me as we embark on a cosmic journey to explore the biggest hidden secrets of these three fascinating planets. We'll delve into their turbulent atmospheres, unravel the mysteries of their rings, and uncover the potential for hidden oceans on their moons. Jupiter, the king of our solar system, is a planet of superlatives. It's the largest, most massive, and boasts the strongest magnetic field of any planet in our cosmic neighborhood. But amidst these impressive attributes, there's a particular feature that has captivated astronomers for centuries: the Great Red Spot. Imagine a storm so colossal that it could swallow the Earth whole. That, my friends, is the Great Red Spot, a swirling vortex of crimson-hued clouds that has been raging on Jupiter for at least 4 centuries, ever since astronomers first pointed their primitive telescopes at this gas giant. The sheer longevity of this storm is mind-boggling. On Earth, hurricanes, as powerful as they may be, are relatively short-lived, typically lasting a few weeks at most. Yet the Great Red Spot has endured for centuries, defying our understanding of atmospheric dynamics. What fuels this perpetual storm? That's a question that continues to puzzle scientists. Some theories suggest that it's drawing energy from Jupiter's internal heat, welling up from the planet's core. Others propose that it's a self-sustaining vortex, its rotation constantly replenished by Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere. But the Great Red Spot isn't content with simply existing. It seems to be playing a cosmic game of hide and seek. Observations have shown that the storm is slowly shrinking, albeit gradually. Whether this shrinking trend will continue, eventually leading to the Great Red Spot's demise, or whether it will reverse course and begin expanding once more, remains to be seen. And as if a centuries-old storm wasn't enough of a mystery, Jupiter throws in another curveball: its monstrous magnetic field. This invisible force field, extending millions of kilometers into space, is the most powerful in our solar system, dwarfing even that of our own sun. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about a magnetic field? Well, for starters, it protects Jupiter from the constant bombardment of charged particles from the sun, known as the solar wind. But more intriguingly, this magnetic field interacts with Jupiter's moons, particularly the icy moons of Europa and Ganymede. These moons are believed to harbor vast oceans of liquid water beneath their icy shells, and Jupiter's magnetic field generates electric currents within these oceans. These currents in turn could create conditions conducive to life, raising the tantalizing possibility of alien life forms swimming beneath the ice of these distant worlds. Moving on from the stormy behemoth that is Jupiter, we arrive at Saturn, a planet renowned for its exquisite beauty. Saturn's claim to fame is undoubtedly its magnificent ring system, a celestial ballet of countless icy particles ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders, all gracefully orbiting the gas giant. But here's the catch. These iconic rings, which have adorned Saturn for perhaps billions of years, are slowly disappearing. Observations from NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which spent over a decade exploring Saturn and its moons, have revealed that the rings are raining down onto the planet at an alarming rate. It's estimated that in about 100 million years, a mere blink of an eye in cosmic terms, Saturn's rings could vanish entirely, leaving behind a bare, ringless planet. The exact mechanisms behind this ring rain are still being debated, but it's believed that a combination of gravity, solar radiation, and interactions with Saturn's magnetic field are conspiring to strip the planet of its celestial jewelry. Now, as if the prospect of losing its rings wasn't dramatic enough, Saturn throws another enigma into the mix: a giant hexagon-shaped storm swirling around its north pole. Have you heard that right? A hexagon! Not a circle, not a square, but a six-sided geometric wonder etched into the planet's atmosphere. This bizarre storm, first discovered in the 1980s by the Voyager spacecraft, has persisted for decades, its sharp edges and perfect symmetry defying explanation. Scientists speculate that it might be caused by jet streams, narrow bands of high-speed winds interacting with each other in Saturn's upper atmosphere. But why a hexagon? That's a question that continues to baffle atmospheric scientists. But Saturn's mysteries don't end there. This ringed wonder also harbors a moon that has captured the imaginations of scientists and science fiction writers alike. Enceladus. This small icy moon might seem unassuming at first glance, but beneath its frigid exterior lies a secret that could rewrite our understanding of life in the universe. Cassini discovered that Enceladus is spewing jets of water vapor, ice particles and organic molecules into space, erupting from fissures in its south polar region. These geysers, scientists believe, originate from a vast ocean of liquid water, lurking beneath the moon's icy shell. And where there's water, as we've learned from our own planet, there's the potential for life, the presence of organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it in Enceladus's plumes, raises the tantalizing possibility that this tiny moon, orbiting a ringed giant in the outer solar system, might be home to extraterrestrial life. Chapter 3. Title: Neptune, Realm of Furious Winds and Vanishing Storms. Our final destination on this cosmic adventure takes us to the outer reaches of our solar system, to the realm of the ice giant Neptune. This distant world, shrouded in a deep blue hue, is a place of extremes where frigid temperatures and supersonic winds reign supreme. Despite being the farthest planet from the Sun, receiving only a fraction of the sunlight that bathes our own planet, Neptune is surprisingly active. In fact, it boasts the fastest wind speeds in the entire solar system, with gusts reaching a staggering 2,100 kilometers per hour. That's over 1,300 miles per hour. These winds, whipping around the planet at supersonic speeds, are a testament to the immense power of Neptune's atmosphere. But what drives these furious winds? That's a question that continues to puzzle scientists. One theory suggests that the heat generated deep within Neptune's interior, a remnant of its formation, is somehow transferred to the upper atmosphere, driving these powerful winds. Another hypothesis proposes that the lack of sunlight might actually play a role, creating a steep temperature gradient in Neptune's atmosphere that fuels the winds. But Neptune's mysteries don't end with its blustery disposition. Like its larger cousin Jupiter, Neptune has a penchant for dramatic storms, though these storms are far more ephemeral than Jupiter's long-lived Great Red Spot. One such storm, dubbed the Great Dark Spot, was first observed by Voyager 2 during its flyby of Neptune in 1989. This massive storm, resembling a dark, oval-shaped blemish on Neptune's blue face, was large enough to contain the entire Earth. However, unlike Jupiter's persistent Great Red Spot, the Great Dark Spot was short-lived, disappearing from view just a few years later. Why these dark storms on Neptune form and dissipate so rapidly is still a mystery, adding another layer of intrigue to this distant ice giant. And if you thought Neptune's atmospheric antics were fascinating, wait till you hear about its moon Triton. This icy world, the largest of Neptune's 14 known moons, is a true oddball in our solar system, distinguished by its retrograde orbit. You see, most moons in our solar system orbit their planets in the same direction as the planet's rotation, not Triton. This rebellious moon orbits Neptune in the opposite direction, a celestial phenomenon known as a retrograde orbit. This peculiar orbital characteristic suggests that Triton wasn't born in the same region of space as Neptune. Instead, scientists believe that Triton was once a free-floating object, perhaps a dwarf planet in its own right, that wandered too close to Neptune and got captured by the ice giant's gravity. But Triton's quirks don't stop there. This icy moon might harbor a hidden ocean of liquid water beneath its frozen surface, warmed by tidal forces generated by Neptune's gravity. And where there's water, as we've learned time and again, there's the potential for life. Outro title: Mysteries Beyond Our Reach for now, from Jupiter's centuries-old storm and Saturn's vanishing rings to Neptune's furious winds and Triton's retrograde orbit. These gas giants offer a tantalizing glimpse into the vastness and complexity of our universe. Each planet, with its unique set of mysteries, pushes the boundaries of our understanding, reminding us that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of cosmic knowledge. The enigmatic storms, disappearing rings, and hidden oceans of these distant worlds beckon us to explore further, to develop new technologies and embark on ambitious missions to unravel their secrets. These celestial enigmas aren't just fascinating curiosities, they hold clues to the formation of our solar system, the dynamics of planetary atmospheres, and perhaps even the existence of life beyond Earth. So, as we continue to explore our cosmic backyard, let us marvel at the wonders we've uncovered and embrace the mysteries that still lie hidden in the depths of space. For in unraveling the secrets of these fascinating